Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin bottom signals galore, why time is running out, and where Bitcoin will likely end up very soon. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why bottom signals are going nuts and why time is running out before Bitcoin price explodes. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now, today, neutral 50, exactly dead center. Neutral, we've been in neutral for the past week or so. The overall market up 0.5% today. Bitcoin at 22,714, Ethereum at 1633, BNB at 304, XRP 42 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Solana $24. Now, Bitcoin, after we had the Bitcoin massive, crazy signal that only happens once every few years, that on average the last two times 437%, the last three times 3,000% gains. Well, after that happened, Bitcoin's already gone up from around 19,000 to 23,000. Right now, we're tracing back a little bit, but Bitcoin is above the 200-day moving average at this point. Right now, it's stuck between some volume levels. The volume profile sticking out. A lot of money changed hands right around the $23,000 area. This is potentially just temporary resistance for Bitcoin. Right now, though, retail is betting on the downside across the markets, heavily betting. These put to call ratios were last seen during COVID-19 down here at the bottom before we saw a nice rally in the market. And if we take a look when retail is betting heavily on the downside, this is generally right before some pretty significant rallies. But people are still fearful. They think that, inflation is going to keep going, the economy is going to keep getting worse, and eventually, once enough people bet on the downside, the market will pop and everyone will have to cover their shorts. But right now, investors are in extreme fear, last seen during the 2008 crisis. Now, also with the fear similar to betting on the downside, people put their money where their mouth is, I guess. And we can see that this was pretty close to right before some massive rallies, the levels we're at right now. Bitcoin, though, if we take a look, we can see right here, 10% of Bitcoin's supply moved at levels around $16,500 with the FTX crash. Doubtful that those people will be looking to sell just for a 30 to 40% move. More likely, this could be a price floor, a generational price floor for Bitcoin with a tenth of the supply moving at that area. Right now, we see Bitcoin hash rate hitting new all-time highs. Never been this high. Generally, Bitcoin price follows hash rate, lagging indicator, but Bitcoin lags the hash rate. So the hash rate is going up. Bitcoin is likely going to go up after that. Right now, we have some very significant buy signals. This one right here, the 14-day parabolic SAR indicator, giving an early signal of Bitcoin bottoming. We can see after a one-year downtrend, we have the bottom signal stating the bottom is in. Similar to previous lows where we had a one-year downtrend bottom signal, that was basically the bottom before the top came in. Also, if we take a look on the weekly bullish super trend, the weekly super trend right here, printing the first green buy signal, flashed green, we can see last times this happened was right before significant rallies for Bitcoin. We could be seeing this once again, still not too late. Bitcoin is still at a discount. However, it won't last for too long. We'll show you why in a minute. Right now, taking a look at where Bitcoin is right now, comparing it to 2019, you can see very, very similar when we take a look at the 50 and 200-day EMA. You can see as they are getting close to crossing, which is happening right now, they're getting close to crossing, Bitcoin price jumps up significantly, just like Bitcoin price jumped up significantly to above that before the cross takes place and before Bitcoin price rockets off. Now, as for the Bitcoin price, running out of time, Bitcoin right now leaving the MVRV-Z buy zone, which we've been in previous bottoms. Well, when we are in that area, Bitcoin is just recently leaving that area. Price has always risen rapidly after that. We can see these rapid price increases afterwards. May not have that much time left. Bitcoin was going sideways for quite a while. May not have that much time left. On the 15-day MACD, just flipped green. We can see the histogram right here has gone from red to green. Historically, it's been a perfect indication of a change in trend. We can see this was a great buy indicator for previous cycles. And if we take a look, not at the 15-day, the 14-day, the 2-week MACD cross, previous times it has been confirmed. In 2013, 1,235%, 2015, 255%, 2016, 2,766%, 2019, 241%, 2020, 641%, 2021, 67%. On average, roughly over 300% gains when we have this cross. This cross just occurred. Once again, you can see it turn green. Hopefully this isn't behind my head. You can see this just turned green. If you can't see it here, you can always go check it out on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where we retweet all of these charts. Now, that being said, where could Bitcoin end up? Bitcoin cycle geometry. If we take a look, once it breaks the downtrend, which we have done not too long ago, breaking the downtrend, well, we have these nice little parallelograms in Bitcoin price increases. We could be up towards $60,000 this year, potentially $170,000 by the end of next year. That would be pretty awesome for Bitcoin. I know I'm excited. I hope you are too. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. Thank you so much for watching. I do enjoy spending this time with you every single day. It means the world to me. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.